In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a ready-made invoice template to the right space and make it your own quickly and confidently. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your workspace so you can place the invoice where it belongs. Next, locate the space where you want the invoice to live. A space is a high-level container in ClickUp, like a department or a client area. Find that space in your sidebar, then click the three dots next to its name. This three-dot icon opens the options menu for that space, which is exactly where we need to be. From the menu, select Templates. Templates let you insert pre-built structures so you don't have to start from scratch. It's a great way to standardize your invoicing process and keep everything consistent across clients or projects. In the Templates window, use the search field and enter the word invoice. This filters the library to show invoice-related options. You'll typically see one or more invoice templates designed to help you capture client details, dates, line items, rates, and totals. Pick the one that fits your workflow and style. When you've found the one you want, click Use Template. This tells ClickUp to add a copy of that template to the space you selected so you can tailor it to your needs. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Give your invoice a clear, descriptive title. Many people like something like client, invoice, month, year because it makes it easy to sort and search later. Choose whatever naming convention works best for you and your team. Then click Use Template again to confirm and create it. ClickUp will add the invoice into your chosen space and you'll see it appear and be ready to edit. Once added, feel free to customize this. Replace placeholder text with your business information and the client's details. Add or edit the invoice number, issue date, and due date. Fill in line items for services or products. Update quantities, rates, taxes, and discounts, and confirm that subtotals and totals look correct. You can adjust section headings, remove fields you don't need, and refine the layout so it matches your brand voice and formatting preferences. If your template includes notes or terms, personalize them with clear payment instructions and any relevant policies. That's it. Open your ClickUp account. Use the three-dot menu beside the space. Go to Templates, search Invoice, click Use Template, name it, confirm, and then customize. You now have a clean, consistent invoice ready to use whenever you need it.